Today, we're learning how to blur a video in Filmora. This effect is useful for hiding sensitive details, creating a dreamy look, or adding a professional touch to your edits. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline and make sure it's properly placed. Now, go to the effects panel at the top and search for blur. You'll see different blur options, but for a simple effect, choose basic blur. Drag and drop the basic blur effect onto your video clip. If you play the footage, you'll notice that the entire clip is now blurred. To customize the effect, select the video, go to the effects section in the right side editing panel, and adjust the blur strength slider to get the desired level of blur. Once you are happy with the settings, preview the video to ensure it looks just right. And that's it. You've successfully applied a blur effect to your video in Filmora. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora editing tips.